Sex is not a switch. It is a developmental system governed by genes, timing, receptors, and neural organization. Binary categories are administrative compressions, not biological laws. When harm appears, it is often because complexity was denied, not because variation exists. This names the system as it actually functions. And so, here are 7 scientific truths about sex as a multidimensional system. 1. Chromosomal diversity is real. Human karyotypes include XX, XY, XXY, XY, XO, and mosaic forms, occurring in roughly 1 in 500 births. Sex development begins with variation, not exception. 2. Gonadal pathways are gene cascades. SRY activation typically upregulates SX9 for testis development, while WNT4 and RSPO1 guide ovarian pathways. Timing shifts in these cascades produce lawful intermediate outcomes. 3. Hormones act on spectra, not binaries. Testosterone and estrogen circulate in all humans, with overlapping ranges and variable sensitivity. Sex traits emerge from ratios and timing, not presence or absence. 4. Receptors determine outcomes. Androgen insensitivity syndrome shows that hormone effects depend on receptor function, not hormone levels alone. The same signal can produce radically different bodies. 5. Brain differentiation is non-uniform. Regions such as the BNST and INAH3 show overlap across sexes and sensitivity to prenatal hormone timing. Neural sex does not map cleanly onto anatomy. 6. Intersex traits expose the system. Intersex variations occur in approximately 1.7% of the population, depending on definition. Harm rises when difference is treated as error, or when intervention proceeds without consent. 7. Binary models are compressions. Binary sex simplifies policy and language, not biology. Compression becomes harm when mistaken for law. And so we realize sex is developmental, not declarative. Variation follows mechanism. Suffering follows reduction. Law remains intact. So we ask ourselves, where did certainty replace study? Who benefited from simplification? What bodies paid the cost? What changes when biology is allowed to speak? Sex was never disordered. It was never confused. It was never failing. And you are the sacred intelligence expressed this way.